In this assignment, we are going to discuss transition elements general properties. Based on that one assignment, particularly it is dedicated to their ionization potential. Transition elements ionization potential. Here first question, IP of zirconium given and is asking you IP of hafnium. Okay, these are present in this fourth B group. From titanium to zirconium, size increases, so ionization potential decreases. From zirconium to hafnium, there is no much increase in size due to lanthanide contraction. Almost they exhibit a similar size, but nuclear charge, due to increase in atomic number, nuclear charge increases. Size is the same, but nuclear charge is increasing from zirconium to hafnium, hence ionization potential also increases. This is IP order in this fourth B group elements. Zirconium value given as 674 kilojoules. Therefore, hafnium value will be greater than that 674. So that is 760. That is the only one option we have, which is greater than 674. That will be the correct one for this first question. Move to next. Vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron. 4 elements given. And the question is, which possesses highest IP2? Highest IP2. Look at their electronic configurations. Among the electronic configurations of these elements, when you look at this chromium, for this IP1 is easier. IP1 is lesser because removal of first electron is easier. For IP2, you have to remove second electron. In the case of chromium, that second electron has to be removed from the more stable half-filled 3d5 configuration. So it is difficult to remove second electron which is required for IP2 from this stable 3d5 configuration. Hence its IP2 value is higher than the given elements. So correct option for this is first one. Move to next. Electronic configuration given to you, that is a 4s2 3d6. This configuration is given to you 4s2 3d6. And he is asking between which two successive ionization potentials there exists abrupt increase. Further to look at this configuration, removal of first two electrons is easier. Even removal of third electron is also easier. So up to IP3 there will be no problem. But if you want to remove fourth electron, you have to remove that fourth electron from the stable 3d5 configuration. Being it is stable, it requires more energy. Thus for iron, IP4 is exceptionally higher due to its stable 3d5 configuration in Fe plus 3 state. Hence, for this element, you observe a sudden increase from IP3 to IP4. So third option is correct one for this. Move to next. Again, 4 elements given to us. They are vanadium, chromium, manganese, and iron. For these 4 elements, is asking you, it's a fourth question, 4 elements given, is asking you which element possess highest third ionization enthalpy. Just look at their configurations. You take manganese. This is manganese. Removal of 2 electrons is easier in the case of manganese. After that it becomes Mn plus 2, whose configuration is 3d5. Now for IP3 you have to remove third electron, which is to be removed from the more stable 3d5 configuration. It is difficult. Hence for this manganese, IP3 is more. So among those given elements, manganese shows higher IP3, and third option is a correct one for this. Move to next step. Again you are given set of 4 elements. Titanium, these are now the given elements are titanium, vanadium, chromium, and manganese. These are the elements given in this fifth question. And the question is about IP2. IP2, correct order of IP2. This is a question. From left to right, generally ionization potential increases. So titanium to vanadium, that is a periodic trend in a series, in a period, left to right increases. Titanium to vanadium increases. Then vanadium to chromium also increases. When you compare IP2 value of these two elements, its configuration is 3d5 4s1. It shows removal of second electron is difficult. That indicates its IP2 is maximum. Whereas in manganese, configuration is 3d5 4s2. Here removal of second electron is easier. IP2 related to removal of second electron. That is easier for manganese because by the loss of two electrons, it gets further more stable 3d5 configuration. From this discussion, removal of two electrons is easier in manganese, so IP2 is lesser, whereas the removal of second electron from chromium is difficult because of stable 3d5 configuration, hence its IP2 is greater. Now the correct increasing order of IP2 value, if you write, that will be like this: titanium lesser than, vanadium lesser than, next higher shown by manganese because from left to right it increases. Due to its abnormal configuration, it possesses higher IP2 value. This is correct order of IP2 value for these four elements. It is given in third option. Move to next. In 3D series, IP is highest for. IP means nothing but IP1. In a given period, regularly ionization potential values, they increase with some exceptions. Same thing is observed in this 3D series also. The element which is at extreme right side, that shows the highest IP1 value as we expect. So it is a fourth one. Next, in 3D series, IP2 is highest for. Again, from left to right, any ionization potential increases. So elements with higher ionization potential, they should be at extreme right side of the given series. Now the element will be among these. It's about IP2. Look at their configurations, copper and zinc. For this, removal of first two electrons is easier because it gets a stable configuration. So IP2, that is related to removal of second electron, it is no more difficult in this case. Come to here, removal of second electron shows you have to remove that second electron from this stable configuration. It is difficult. So in compared to this zinc, in copper, removal of second electron is difficult because it possesses stable configuration. It acquires stable configuration by the loss of electron. And so between these two, IP2 highest for copper. So copper has the highest second ionization potential. Hence fourth option is correct for this. Move to next. Correct IP2 value order for chromium and manganese. Again same question. Question is based on IP2 and is asking you to relate chromium and manganese. IP2 is related to removal of second electron. Here, removal of second electron is difficult in this due to stable configuration. Here it is easier it is because after the loss of that second electron, it gets a stable configuration. Hence IP2 is more for chromium when compared to manganese. So first option is correct for this. Then move to ninth question. Correct IP3 value order for manganese and iron. We have given configurations here. Now you have to compare their IP3 values. IP3 is related to removal of third electron from that element. Here you have to remove the third electron from stable 3d5 configuration. It is difficult. Whereas here, if you remove first three electrons, it gets a more stable configuration, 3d5. Thus, for this removal of third electron difficult. Whereas for this, if you remove 3 electrons, it gets stable configuration. Based on this, it is very clear that for this, IP3 is greater than that of iron. It is given in first option. That is correct. Then move to the last one. Correct IP order for coinage metals. Coinage metals. These are first B group elements. Let us write those elements here. It is 3D series, copper, silver, gold, 4D series and 5D series. It's about their ionization potential order. You know, top to bottom, just there we have seen top to bottom atomic size increases, so ionization potential decreases. From silver to gold, you know, this gold is after some lanthanide. Because of that, its atomic size is lesser than expected. Hence, there is no much increase in size from silver to gold. There is no much increase in size from silver to gold. But, you know, atomic number increases drastically. That is nothing but its nuclear charge increases drastically. So from silver to gold, increase in size is lesser, but increase in nuclear charge is greater. Due to more increase in nuclear charge, ionization potential of gold is greater than that of silver. So now correct ionization potential order of these coinage metals is copper greater than silver lesser than gold. This is the order, which is given in copper greater than silver less than gold. It is given in second option. Now once you correct this one, there it is printed as a fourth option. It is not fourth. Actually, it is a second one. Second option is correct for this. It is just like that fourth B group elements. Okay, these are questions based on ionization potential of our transition elements. Once you go through the textbook, then you solve this, then it can be easier. Thank you.